digital jobs pia zikiwa kati ya yale ambayo yanapatikana kwa mtandao. Volume.
Thank you very much. I'm truly grateful that I found time this morning to come and check on this great facility. To thank the Member of Parliament for here, Alpha, my friend, for doing this.